This is it. We're going to do the challenge. Son versus mother burping challenge. We've been waiting for. Go ahead.
Shake it off.
Top that.
I didn't know we were echoing. Okay.
Go.
Warming up.
Go ahead.
Yeah, right.
It's so disgusting. All right, one more each. That was good. One more. No hands by the mouth.
2 more.
No hands by the mouth.
Yeah.
With the puppies.
What? I didn't know we were doing that. Couldn't do it. And that's what it sounds like without echo.
All right. Go.
You're like, oh.
It's on you. That's freaking nasty.
We do one.
All right, one more. This is it.
This is a 5-way tiebreaker.
That was gross.
You gotta talk.
Go.
Oh, I heard that.
You're crowded.
All right, let us know what you think.
I know you are, retard.
All right, say bye.
Bye, bye, subscribe.